Okay, I will switch on Amiga. Okay, Amiga asks for a kickstart disk, so it's fine. I will put in 1.3 version at first. Okay. It starts loading kickstart, so it's fine. Okay, and after 24 ticks, the workbench hand should appear, but it resets all the time, as you can see. Now I will put kickstart 1.2. Okay, so I will switch off and switch back Amiga. Again, kickstart hand, so it's okay. And now let's load kickstart 1.2. It's booting. And now, after loading kickstart, the drive ticks once and green screen appear. So it means that probably chip RAM is dead. Okay.